Ngesinye godu isililo samanzi. Izakhamuzi lapha zilila ngomraro wamanzi zithi sewinyanga yonke zingatholi nethosi lamanzi. Kodwa kufanele ziyokubhadala imali yezenzelwa zikahulumende. Zithi ukuphakela kwezenzela kusitshijilo esikhulu ngaphasi komasipalada lo. Izakhamuzi zithi kesinye isikhathi ziyakateleleka bona zivala inkolo ngombana kunganamanzi.
We have about 30 days now without water, and when the water comes out, it's not for human consumption. It might come only for 20 minutes, very dirty water.
We are having a problem with our children. They are not going to school for the past 2 weeks, and if we check out what the problem was, we just find out that the problem, it was the water problem.
Okunye kubathonya kakhulu kuthutha kwenzibi batjho ngesinye isikhathi sihlala inyanga yonke zingathuthwa. Bathi inzibi sezele yonke indawo hlangana nemizi. Okunye abalila ngakho ukuthi umasipalada lo batjho wavula izala eduze nemzabo.
We have got a serious challenge of waste management, waste collection in Bushbuckridge and Dwarsloop in particular. For the past number of days, 30 days or so, we haven't received any sustainable delivery when it comes to waste collections.
Umasipalada we-Bushbuckridge uziphayile insolo ezinjalo zokuthi akafikisi izenzelwa emphakathini.
The community of Dwarsloop have closed the gate there, and our refuse compactor truck is there that we are unable to take it out to go all out and render the refuse collections. And we felt we can't force to open the gate so that we can provide the service of refuse collection.
Zalapha zithi zizokunikela umasipalada lo amalanga alikhomba bona ararulule umraro lo. Nangabe uyabhalelwa, zithusele ngokuthi zongenela umjagalo.